Hi, I'm Miranda, and I'm going to be doing my presentation on Jeanne Bonnet, who was also known as the Little Frog Catcher. She was born in 1849 and died in 1876. A little background history about Bonnet is that she was born in Paris but raised in San Francisco. At a very young age, her family completely fell apart. Her mother died, her sister was admitted to an insane asylum where she later died, and her father, after being disabled, left for Oakland to find work, leaving Jeanne on her own at a very young age. During her teenage years, Bonnet was constantly in a juvenile institution. Several times throughout her time there, she got into fights, one time even breaking into the boys' sector to fight the largest boy. When she was finally released, she began to make money by catching and selling frogs to French restaurants, hence the nickname the Little Frog Catcher. As she grew older, she began cross-dressing and was arrested many times for it. And in this newspaper article in 1875, the Daily Atla, California, Bonnet is recorded to have been arrested and yelling, "The police might arrest me as often as they wish. I will never discard male attire as long as I live." Not only that, but she began to steal women from their pimps as well. Bonnet formed her own gang from these ex-prostitutes. These women became very anti-men and prostitution as well. Instead of making money via sexual favors, Bonnet encouraged them to turn to shoplifting and other thievery. The group was only the group only grew to include about 12 to 13 women. Apart from this group she created, she also had many lovers, the main one being Blanche Bunin. Though she got with many women dressed as a man, the most important to her was Blanche. Her relationship with Blanche was always dangerous. When out on a date, Blanche was threatened with acid in the face for leaving her past love. Jeanne and Blanche went into hiding to protect Blanche, but to no avail. In fact, Bonnet's death was due to her relationship with Bunin. A friend of Blanche's ex-lover shot Bonnet in the heart in a hotel room when she was only 25. And that is my presentation on Bonnet and why I think she should be included in our history books and other forms of history. I feel like she really paved the road for the LGBTQ plus community and was definitely one of the first open cross dressers of her time. So thank you.